Hey guys, today I'm going to make some grilled sausage sliders. So let's get queuing. I've got some Italian sausage from the Panizzera meat company here. This is a local company. A lot of little markets around here carry it. So this is Italian sausage with white wine. So the ingredients to this is pork, white wine, salt, spices, and garlic. You can really smell the garlic. Last night when I opened this up, and he was right under my feet. You'll really like the smell of it. So this is 9.65 pounds, $8.99 per pound. So it was $8.68 for this. So I made a couple of these last night to try this out. So this sausage is not in the casing. So what I did is just slice through the package like this, and then I could just slide a little bit out. Hopefully it'll work here. Okay, so about that much works good for 2 sliders. So what I did is just then cut it in half like that. Boy, you can really smell that garlic. Smells good. If you like garlic. If you don't like garlic, you may not like this. But most grocery stores carry sausage that's not in the casing like this. So you could really use, you know, whatever type of sausage you want, or you can find. In fact, you might even find local meat companies that make their own like this in your area. So anyway, just kind of flatten those out a little bit. And I'm going to cook them on my little Weber Q1200. I have my grill on high, and it's been warming up for 5 or 10 minutes. So let's get these on there. These shouldn't take long. Also got a couple little King's Hawaiian slider buns there too. So we'll get those going, then I'll flip them over in a few minutes. Been 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see how these are doing. I think I'll flip them over. I don't want to burn them on that side. Okay, they're looking good. All right, let them go on that side for a little bit now. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes on that side, so about 7 or 8 minutes total now. These are looking good. I'm going to flip them back over that way a little bit. And I'm going to brown these buns, so I'm going to go ahead and get those on there. This grill doesn't really cook very well unless the lid's down, so I'll put that down, but I'm just going to kind of keep an eye on the buns and the sausage, and for just another minute or two here until everything looks done. I don't want to burn my buns here. They probably brown pretty fast. Oh yeah, just kind of turn them a little bit. They're looking good. They're starting to soften up. Okay. Just maybe another 30 seconds and I'll get everything off of there. Okay, let's see how we're doing. That looks good. Yeah, those look good. Perfect. Okay, and I think these ought to be done. They've been on there about 10 minutes total. So I think those are good. I'll go ahead and get those off of there as well. Well, that was easy. It only take about 10 minutes to cook. I just put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bun there. So let's try one out. That is really good sausage. It has a lot of flavor. That's why I didn't put anything but mayonnaise on it. It has a lot of flavor just like that. Really good. Annie sure liked this last night. Guess we better see what she thinks. Yep, inhaled. Well, that one's pretty easy. All you need is some sausage and slider buns, and maybe a beer in the other hand. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.